Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to another video with Code with Ruda. I have been recording this video on semantic HTML, which is a very important topic regarding HTML, that how it works, what is the meaning of semantic HTML, semantic tags. You must have heard about that if you have been learning web dev or HTML. So I've opened a folder named Semantic HTML and now I am creating a file named index.html. So we have created a file named index.html. Now I've simply written this exclamation mark, and when I will press it, it will generate a boilerplate template code with the help of emit abbreviation. Now I'll simply change the title, and I'll set its title to semantic HTML. Now, let me tell you first that what actually semantic means. Semantic HTML refers to the HTML that conveys a meaning. Semantic tags refers to the meaningful tags that tell browser that what it is for. For example, header tag, which simply indicates that it is the header section. Main tag indicates that it is the main section, it is the main part of a web page of a body structure. And when it comes to footer, it clearly indicates that it is a footer area. So let's get started. We'll be starting from header. Header is the first semantic tag, which clearly indicates its meaning that it is for the header section. And in the header section, we can also include a nav tag, which is for navigation bar. We can include several links so that we can navigate in a web page. So nav indicates that it's a nav bar. So moving on to the main. Now, main is also a semantic tag, which clearly indicates that here is the main section, main part of a web page of a HTML document. Also, we have footer, and this is the basic layout of a web page, which includes a HTML tag, a head, a body, and then it comes to header, main, and footer. In header, we have navigation bar, and in navigation bar, we can have several links to the contact page, link to the about page if it's a website, and here main part we can also include several section. Now section tag indicates that it's a section, it's a particular section. The section starts from here and ends here. So it also tells the browser that there is a particular section which is starting from here and ending here. Also we can include a article tag. In article tag we put the stuff regarding an article. For example, a HTML article which elaborates that how HTML works and how we can use it. So we can add the stuff into the article tag, and we can use section tag, article tag inside the main. Also we can add a site tag, and a site tag is mostly used to add some kind of advertisements in your web page. And we have seen so many times that there are several ads that are showing in a site in a web page. So a site is used for that purpose. Now if we go deep down into it, we can include in navigation bar in nav tag a UL, which clearly indicates that it's an unordered list, and then we can include a list. Now in list we can include home, we can include about, we can include contact, and we can include services too. Basically, the main purpose of these all tags is to tell the browser that where the header is starting, from where the header is ending, from where the nav is starting, from where the nav is gonna end, and from where we have started our main section, main content, and then there's a footer. So we must use these tags, which helps greatly in SEO. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, do like this video and comment. If you are a bit confused regarding something, do ask in comment section. I'll surely comment on your comment. Thanks.